I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 110, on what defines the number of bedrooms that a home has. Be sure to like and subscribe and ring the notifications bell so you never miss a single episode. When searching for new homes, one of the first search criteria for a buyer is often the number of bedrooms. Every state is different, and because of that, the definition people use for determining how many bedrooms a home has can be quite confusing. In North Carolina, the determining factor may not be what you think. In this episode, we're going to determine exactly what defines the number of bedrooms for a home. In our market, we deal with lots of buyers and sellers who are from other states, and I've talked with enough of them to realize there's a good deal of misunderstanding and misinformation out there. Some states allow a room to be counted as a bedroom if it has a window and a closet. This seems logical, but it's not necessarily the case here in North Carolina. In North Carolina, the number of bedrooms is solely dependent on the septic permit. The system is engineered for a specific number of people would require. The number is determined on 2 heartbeats per bedroom. If a home has 5 spaces that could feasibly function as a bedroom but has a 3-bedroom permit, it legally can only be described as a 3-bedroom. In marketing, we can state that there is additional space, but we can't state that they are more than the permitted bedrooms. In this scenario, we would likely say 3 bedrooms with flexible rooms that could provide additional space. Frogs are commonly used as a 4th bedroom, but it can't be listed as a 4-bedroom unless the permit specifically states it's a 4-bedroom home. The permit details are extremely important, so it's critical that you and your agent confirm this information with the health department. There's more great content coming soon. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.